The workflow starts right here. This Google Drive trigger constantly watches a specific folder, in this case, the HR Auto folder. Whenever a new file is added, usually a CV in PDF format, it instantly fires up and kicks off the entire pipeline, no manual action needed. Next, we use the Download CV node. This node grabs the detected file from Google Drive using the file ID the trigger passed. It downloads the actual PDF so it can be processed. Here, we extract the text from the CV. This node pulls all readable content from the PDF: name, address, languages, all the useful stuff that AI is going to analyze. This is where raw text becomes usable data. Up next, we connect to Azure OpenAI. This node provides the actual GPT model that we will use inside the agent. It doesn't directly generate output here. Instead, it acts like the engine that powers our DEI evaluation. We also plug in a structured output parser. This ensures that whatever the AI generates comes out as clean, strict JSON, always with fields like name, gender, DEI, factor, and so on. This keeps the automation reliable. Before checking DEI eligibility, the AI must check existing workforce representation. This node reads the Google Sheet containing current employee diversity data. The AI uses this table as real-time reference material to decide whether the candidate increases diversity or not. Now we reach the heart of the automation, the agent. Here, the AI gets everything: the extracted PDF text, the Sheets tool, the structured parser, the rules in the system message. The prompt instructs the AI to extract self reported attributes: gender, language, location, disability, compare them with current employee data from Google Sheets, decide DEI eligible, yes or no, provide which factor makes them eligible, and return everything in strict JSON format. This node is basically doing the HR analysis automatically. Once the DEI result is ready, this node writes the results back into the same Google Sheet. It appends a new row with name, location, gender, language, disability, DEI status, and factor. This keeps an ongoing log of all candidates processed. Then we add a simple logic check. If DEI equals yes, continue. If no, you can route it elsewhere or stop. This adds real decision making to the workflow. This node dynamically builds an HTML email. Based on the DEI result, it generates a clean subject line, a beautiful HTML email body, a text fallback, clear styling, and candidate details. Everything is done automatically through JavaScript inside the node. Finally, we send the email. The Gmail node takes the subject and HTML body generated by the previous node and sends it directly to the hiring manager. So every time a CV is evaluated, the manager gets a properly formatted email without touching anything.